Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is my dog Shasta. He's kind of a crazy mutt right now. So he keeps going, he's climbing in the sink and shit. So yeah, he's going fucking psycho. Just to let you know, it's me, Modern Warfare 2 EMP, and this is my boy Shasta. Shasta! Dude, get out of this thing! Dude, come on.
Go do something else.
Yeah, attack him.
Come on.
Oh, that's my brother Jacob. That's my brother Austin. They're gonna help me with Roadrunner Shasta. You just gonna stand there, boy? No! Do not get back in the sink. No, 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 no.
Idiot dog.
Go attack Roly Poly here. Oh my God! Are you kidding me?
Move that cooler, dude. Move the cooler.
Are you kidding me? No, 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 no. You cannot eat cereal. I'm sorry. Oh my God. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
No.
Down, boy. Down. Shasta.
Oh, God. Shasta. Don't even think about it.
Oh boy. Oh God, he's going psycho. Yeah, say hello to the camera.
Or not.
Are you crazy, man?
Bring him out here.
Sit. No, I didn't say lick my finger. Sit. Good boy. You on camera, boy. Oh, we're gonna go walking through the house. Oh crap! Here, sit down.
Sit down.
Let's watch. Holy Jesus! Where's he going? Oh, there he is in the kitchen again! Get him! Get him!
No.
We gotta find something black to piss him off.
Come on.
What the hell? Why?
Oh. Oh shit. The Xbox just turned on automatically.
Evil Xbox.
Wait, oh my God, here comes Crazy. Oh my God, there he goes. Oh, he's running through the house like a maniac. Here he comes. Oh shit! Think you're King Tut, don't you? Oh Jesus. Oh, there he goes again. There he goes again. Oh, where's he going?
Don't snap the fucking cover off.
No, we need to put something right there where,
Oh, there he is again in the sink.
we don't get in there.
Come on.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my God. Oh crap.
Dude, get this
Oh, he's
shit.
mauling you, man. He's totally attacking you.
Ah.
He's totally.
Right on the shirt.
He totally.
Damn. Come on.
Oh my God, he's in the sink again.
Get the fuck out.
Hey, Shasta, come here.
Out.
Shasta. Here, boy.
Here, boy. Here, boy.
Let's watch him jump the couch.
Oh. Snap.
Oh. Totally jumped the couch, man.
Get out of here.
What?
Did you get that when he dropped it?
Yeah, I totally got that, man.
Get out of there.
Shasta, boy.
On the couch again.
Oh,
Yeah,
shit.
give him a picture where he's eating.
Oh, he's probably looking for a place to piss. Or either there, he's looking for something to chew on again.
Give him that shirt.
Here.
Oh, there he goes. Oh, God. Oh, look out. Where'd he go?
No, I think he's still
He's
trying.
eating. Get him while he's eating.
Oh, he's eating his food.
Go get the bear.
He's gonna move that bowl to Timbuktu. Say hello to the camera.
tug of war? Kai. Tug of war. I want to play tug of war with him. Tug of war.
Here, boy.
Kai, you can tell him it's the tug of war game.
Shasta, wanna play tug of war? Just don't bite my hand off. You always gotta bite my hand off. Oh, you're a gotcha. Oh, gotcha. Here, want it? You want it? Go get it. Just to let you know, people, viewers out there, my dog has just lost his first tooth. I'll show you that real quick. Don't mind the music in the background. Right here, my boy's first tooth.
Tell him that I found it.
And my brother here, Austin, he found it. This is Shasta's first baby tooth.
It was in your bed.
So, yep, I'm very proud of him for losing his first tooth. It'll be something that I keep in my memory book forever. Oh, and Shasta here is a German Shepherd mixed with a lab.
Go get that bear.
But he's got more German Shepherd than anything. And he's so cute. He chews on everything.
Go get that bear.
No.
Austin, get something for him to chew on.
He is chewing on his toy right now.
No, I don't.
Here, I'll have him chew on your wallet.
No! I will chew. Kai, tell him this is his bone that he eats.
Get him, boy. Get him. Get him.
Kai, we should play fetch with this time.
Oh my god. Yeah, throw it. I dare you. See if he chases Patrick Star. Throw it out there in the kitchen. Kill Patrick Star, Shasta. Kill him. Oh, he's killing him.
Do you still got his bone?
Hey,
Ow.
roly-poly, move your fat ass.
Kai, do you still got his bone?
Look at him kill Patrick Star. Oh, shit. Rip his leg off.
Rip his fat ass bone
Oh, he's
out.
gonna rip his eyes out now. Oh god, he's totally killing Patrick Star. Look at that.
Where's all his toys?
You like your belly rubbed, I know you do. He loves his belly rubbed. Shasta! Hey, you want Patrick's arc? Go get it.
Or not.
Quit chewing on the wood, man!